Want to create stunning AI videos without spending a rupee? We're showing you exactly how, plus the best free tools that'll blow your mind. AI video creation uses machine learning to transform text, images, or prompts into professional videos instantly. No filming, no editing skills needed. Tools like Synthesia, Hagen, and Runway convert your creative vision into reality in minutes. Perfect for creators, designers, and artists exploring new possibilities. Start with Pika AI generates stunning short videos from text prompts free. RunwayML offers powerful editing and generation features. D creates talking avatars from photos. Loom records and auto edits. Each tool has unique strengths. Experiment with all to find your style and workflow. Describe your vision clearly. Setting mood, action, colors. Style, geometrically. Setting mood. Example: cinematic sunset over mountains. Warm orange hues. Smooth camera pan, ethereal atmosphere. Be specific about duration and pacing. Test variations. Refine based on output. Start simple. Gradually add complexity as you learn each tool's language. Structured courses accelerate mastery. Platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and YouTube creators offer beginner to advanced guides. Learn prompt engineering, video composition, and editing tricks. Free resources exist everywhere. Start experimenting today without financial commitment. Practice beats theory always. Drop a comment which AI video tool excites you most. Subscribe for more creative AI guides and exclusive techniques. Some then creative R dies excited crobs.